Chelsea Priest.
And the National Hurricane Center did issue an update on Ian at 5 a.m. as it does every morning. And what we're looking at is now a Category 1 hurricane becoming a category in the overnight hours and moving northwest at about 14 miles per hour. Expected to make landfall in the coming days over the western portion of Cuba and then continuing to travel towards the north and eventually making that northeast turn as a major Category 4 hurricane, weakening a bit just before landfall right now, looking north of Tampa. But you can see that cone of uncertainty includes a lot of the Florida panhandle and parts of even the southern part of Florida. There are hurricane watches and tropical storm watches for the western coast of Florida right now. We'll continue to track this one in the coming days as the landfall over Florida looks to happen sometime very early on Thursday morning. Here in southern New England, we had some thunderstorms come through in the overnight hours or around midnight in the early morning hours. And at this point, we're drying out. We had some loud thunder and lightning. You could see some heavy rain, but it moved through very quickly. So things may be damp outside this morning, but we are drying out. Many parts of the area get a good soaking rain in a short amount of time. So again, things look wet outside this morning, but most of our daytime today is going to be dry. It's actually pretty mild outside this morning. Temperatures are in the mid to upper 50s in the Providence area, 60s along the coastline, 60s out towards the Cape and the island. So a warm morning for the later part of September. The average low is about 53 degrees. So some of us about 10 degrees above that. Now our afternoon highs should be in the low 70s range, and we top out right around there as we head into this afternoon. We are sitting at about 12 hours of daylight at this point. Sunrise at 6:37 a.m., sunset at 6:36 p.m. So again, continuing to lose those daylight minutes each and every day as we head closer to October now. Breeze is light and variable, but will continue to come in from the south-southwest as the day goes on. It gets a bit breezy at times. That's going to get us into the low to mid 70s for both today and tomorrow. Now the temperature trend as we head through the middle portion of the week and especially the later portion of the week is a bit cooler. You can see we're seasonable for today and tomorrow. Wednesday still hovering around 70 degrees, but a bit cooler for Thursday and Friday with temperatures dipping down to the mid 60s. Satellite radar image shows you the rain that we had come through overnight. At this point, we're drying out, we're clearing out as that rain continues to push off to the east, and you'll see partly to mostly sunny conditions for a good portion of the day today. That being said, as we head into this evening, there may be another very isolated shower or rumble of thunder. I think the risk is pretty low, but it is there as we head through late tonight. So again, a good portion of the day today looks nice and bright. We head through the evening hours. We're still dry. It's just a bit breezy. This is 9 o'clock, and you can see that line of a few isolated showers and storms possible coming through the area. We're dry by tomorrow morning. Tomorrow looks partly to mostly sunny, breezy, and seasonable. And then into Wednesday, we still have the chance of a spotty shower out there before we clear out and we get into full sunshine and cooler temperatures to close out the month of September. We're partly sunny today. It's a breezy day, but a seasonable day. High temperatures should top out in the low to mid 70s range, which is actually slightly warmer than average. We head through tonight, upper 50s, an evening shower possible, otherwise partly cloudy conditions. And tomorrow is a day similar to today, low 70s, partly sunny with seasonable weather expected. Upper 60s still on Wednesday, can't rule out a spot shower, but overall most of the 7-day forecast looks dry or sunny and cooler through the end of the work week. Casey?